Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to crop a video in Capcut. You can trim video in Capcut by cropping the duration. If the video you added is too long, follow this video to know how to crop the video in Capcut. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Capcut apps on your phone and then tap new project. Make sure you have added the video to be cropped and then tap the video layer. You will find white lines at the end and beginning of the video layer. Drag the white line at the end of the layer to the left to crop the final duration of the video, and likewise to crop the initial duration of the video, drag the white line to the right. So that was the tutorial on how to crop a video in Capcut. Do you think this video was helpful? I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. That's all, and thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck!